Trading tip for today: how to make money in a range bound or a sideways market. Because markets don't always trend. They're not always going up making new highs or going down and making new lows. Quite often they do spend within a trading range, kind of bouncing between an upper and a lower range level, or a support and resistance as it's called. Now, one of the best ways to trade this type of market is to identify this upper and lower level. Maybe draw a horizontal trend line across it on your chart, and when prices approach these levels, then you know, for example, if it's approaching the upper level, then you know that it's possible that prices will reach that upper level, turn around and then come back down towards that lower level. So identify the levels. When prices reach those levels, if you want to buy the market, so the market will be coming down, getting towards the support level, look for a little confirmation that it's stopped falling, that it's going to return, get in the market, buy the market, and then it's going to hopefully head up towards that upper range level where you can take profit. And obviously the opposite is true if you want to short sell the market from the upper level or that resistance level.